What is Inside Access Control? To me, Inside Access Control is a platform. It's a place for a conversation to happen. It's where we do storytelling. It's where we get deep into areas around the business impacts that we're seeing. It's about where the industry is going. It's about the people that are in it. So whether it's young professionals, people that have been within the industry for a long time, startups, incumbents, everybody, but it's really about where the industry is going. And we wanted to create a place where people can tell those stories. So whether it's video, writing, long form, short form, conversations online, we really want to be a mile deep within the access control industry and be the place where people go to get information, have critical thinking, and really spark a conversation that we believe is what the industry needs in order for it to continue to move as it goes more mainstream. There were phase changes that were happening before COVID. There's definitely phase changes that being accelerated that come out of it. Things are going to continue to get more complicated within the industry, and that's all good. That fragmentation, that complication is going to create really a lot of innovation that we haven't necessarily seen for quite a while within our industry. And I'm excited to have a place where people can have that conversation.